Yo, what is going on, guys? Privas here. Thank you for watching my video. So I'm going to be teaching you how to make a customized character. What I mean by that is this. What is going to be popping up on my screen in a little bit. Well, here it is. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, please leave a like. I would really appreciate it. And this is going to be a pretty long tutorial. I'd say a little over 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes. We'll see, because I'm going to be explaining everything and we're going to be getting all this done in one tutorial. Now, this is my friend's game, and as you can see, it's armor. And yeah, this is what I made for him. One of the legs is a little glitchy, as you can see, but he had built this armor and I just scripted it for him because he needed help. But this is something I'm going to be helping you guys make. Pretty simple, but it's gonna take a little while, and the coding is like very simple. If you're very new to scripting, you might not understand it, but if you're I mean, I'd say I'm basic. I'd say I'm a pretty basic scripter, but a lot of you guys hopefully should know how to do this. It doesn't take that much knowledge. But what I'm going to have open is a wiki, just to kind of see the weld. So it's the weld wiki, because I don't know welds by heart, which it's very simple. I mean, I should know weld by heart. But anyways, let's just get on with the tutorial. So make sure you have, inside the view tab, make sure Explorer and Properties are open, and Collisions, which is under the Home tab. Collisions is off. That's just, collision is just something. Alright, I'm gonna make sure this is one stud. Make sure it's one stud on y'all screen. Make sure anchored is false. Let's change it all to smooth, the surfaces. Alright, now before we start, go to plugins, manage plugins, find plugins. I'm trying to kind of hurry up. That's why I'm talking kind of fast sometimes, because I just spent 30 minutes making the tutorial, the same exact tutorial. But, I felt like I should redo it. Anyways, plugins. Now we're going to search for weld. Alright. Now, it should be this one. Where is it? It's by Ozzy Pig. Here it is. Okay. Just kind of look. It might be on the first page. I'm not sure. But it's by Ozzy Pig. Press install. Once you installed it, exit out of studio, go back in studio, and go to plugins, and you should have it. This is what it should look like. Anyways, okay. Now, let's build this character. So a character's arm is 1 by 2 by 1. Let's see. See the side. Yeah, 1 by 2 by 1. So it should look like this. So let's make the torso, and let's make the other arm. Let me just change it a different color so we can tell like what's what. Now, okay, so let's make so we're gonna be, okay, I'm confusing myself. Alright, so let's just kind of separate this, just so we can kind of design this arm by itself. Now, I'm going to be making the skin color. Let's make it this color. Let's make it kind of look like a shirt, I guess. Let's see what I can do. Also, make sure, once you make the skin, or if you're doing okay, make sure you have a part that is this exact size, 1 by 2 by 1, just in case. Now that part we name weld. So this part is just gonna be my skin, but maybe if you have like armor, and then maybe it's like a different color or whatever, if you know what I mean. Just make sure you have a part that is 1 by 2 by 1. What I mean by that is, the size it is, like that. And make sure to name that weld, and then, yeah. So, 2. I'm just gonna probably make like a shirt or something. Okay. What I'm just gonna do, because our last tutorial I was making, that I removed already because I wasn't liking it. I had took a while to design this, so I'm gonna be making it kind of off. The measurements are gonna be kind of off. All right, so I'm just gonna add an extra part, and I don't know what this is gonna be. Just an extra part. Okay, maybe a wristband or something. I don't know. I just need to add an extra part. Okay, so what you're gonna do is select your whole left arm. Press Control G, which groups. We're gonna name this left arm. Okay. Now this plugin comes in handy whenever you need to weld. So what you need to do is make sure you press on the main part. Then you hold Control and then just press on any of the other parts. It doesn't matter what the just make sure you click on main first, and then it doesn't matter what order you click the other part. So hold Control and just click. All right, then you press this second to last one just once, and you should have the welds in those other parts and not main. All right, I'm gonna delete the right arm because I'm just gonna, let's make this one. All right, position that over in there. We got two. Nice, nice, nice. All right, so I'm gonna just make this brown. No, actually, I'm just gonna put it the skin color, and we're gonna make it an actual shirt, I guess. Or just something. So I can get this tutorial over with. But I sure hope this tutorial helps a lot of, like, every single one of you guys. Now, if something doesn't work, uh, just ask the question, or, tell me why, like, what's not working, and make sure your output is open. So output, go to the view tab, output, and so whenever you test your thing, if it doesn't work, just, let me know what it's saying. Just paste it in the comments of what it was saying. But if you guys do everything that I'm saying, it should work. Okay, measurements are not going to be correct, but I'm trying to just rush a little. So here's just the shirt part. I'm gonna add a pocket just to get a little detail. All right. Okay. So select those two. We're gonna Control G, group it. Now in here, same with this. You make sure you have size. Okay. Make sure you have a part, the torso. Make sure it, okay, as you can see, the measurements are kind of off because I had extended a little, but it's all good if you did what I did, like how I extended it just a tad bit. It's all good. It'll still work. Just name that part, the part that that has the torso shape, main, and then that other part, leave it alone. So okay, now we need a weld. So press on main, then press on that other part, or whatever other parts you have, and press that once. Okay, let's name this. So we're gonna name this Torso 2 for a reason, because of the uh because there's already a part named Torso, so we're just gonna add a 2 to it. All right, let's name our right arm, and make sure these do not have spaces. Make sure R will not work. Okay, now we're gonna make the left leg. Okay, I'm almost at 10 minutes. I do need to hurry up. Okay, we're gonna make some quick Jordans on this fella right quick. All right, guys. Okay, good. All right. I got some J's right quick. Y'all, I really should make some Nike checks. Let me do that right quick. Yo, that Nike check on fleek, dog. Okay, I don't know why I'm playing around. But yo, let me tell you. Boy, that Nike check on fleek. Let me tell you, boy. Let me tell you. Okay, sorry for the cringe. Again, I know anytime I think I make you guys cringe, of course I'm going to say, hey guys, what's going on, guys? Pre-Fi's here. Alright, sorry for the cringe, guys. Sorry. Alright, okay, I need to stop playing around. Alright, let's name this left leg without a space. And now this model, yeah, I have to, and then, no, wait. Yeah, okay, this is right. Okay, right leg. Okay. Yo, that Nike check just on fleek. Let me tell you. Alright, so we have, okay, what is this part? Okay, yeah, I don't know what that part was. Anyways. Okay. So, what you want to do, oh, we also need to weld. I forgot, guys. We need to weld these parts. So, main, and then we take main, and then we take that part, plugins, press this. Oh, I spelled right wrong. Also, I just noticed. There. Okay. Torso, yep, that's welded. Left leg, okay, we didn't do left leg. Alright. If you guys don't know how to select a part inside of a model, you hold Alt, and then you're able to select a part inside of a model. Okay, so like that. We name this main. So we select main first, and then we select the other parts. Press this, bang, bang. Oh, we didn't do the left arm. Whoa, what happened here? Okay, let me just... Yeah, I don't know what happened there. I'm just going to duplicate this, and I'm going to bring it back. Let's name this left arm. The weld is still there. But just in case, I'm just going to remove and re-weld it just in case. I'd recommend that to you guys also. Alright, everything should be welded. Okay, now, yo, that Nike check on fleek, dog. Like, let me tell you. We just position the sun over here, you know. Okay, I don't know why I'm playing around. Okay, stop it, prevised. Alright, so we need to get onto the scripting. So let's go on server script service, insert object, script. Okay, now we need to make some variables. So local RP game dot replicated. So I'm gonna try to script this the basic way as possible to, you know, help you guys understand what I'm doing. Okay, now inside of replicated storage. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm forgetting. So all these parts, drag it to replicated storage. Okay, now what we need to do is be able to access all those models. So local left arm equals RP wait for child left arm. So this is the model name. Local left leg equals, okay, I need to speed things up a little. So I'm just going to be copying, pasting. Okay. So, and then we got right arm. We got right leg. And we got torso 2. Okay. So, right arm. Okay, left. Okay, we need to make this left leg. Alright. So now now we have access to all these parts over here. Okay. Now what we need to do is make a player added event, which a function or whatever. So game.players.player added connect. So we want to connect that event to a function. Now the parameter for player added is the player. Now we do player.character added connect function, and then the parameter of character added is the player's character. So char we're gonna put. Now what we want to do is we want to make the body parts invisible. So what we're gonna do is char wait for child. So we're gonna make the body parts invisible. So we're gonna do torso. So we're gonna get the torso inside of the character. Torso.transparency equals 1. Copy this, paste it. Make sure we paste it 5 times. We're gonna do left leg. Now right here, make sure you have a space because left leg with the space is an actual body part of the character. Um, and then we're gonna do left arm, right leg, right arm. Okay, now we're gonna test this, and it should work. Yep, there we go. Got it working. All right. So now what we're gonna just do this. All right. So we're gonna work on the left leg for left arm, left arm. This is how you use a comment if you're wondering. A comment is just by using the double dash right here. You see, as you can see, you can't do it with one. You have to do it two. Now I just do this. The dash, these two dashes right here. These two, just to give it a little detail and make it look nice, you know. But you don't have to use that, the forward slash. Um, okay, so we're gonna work on the left arm. So let's make a variable. So local cloned. Let's do LA for left. Nah, let's cloned LA. Yeah, for left arm. So clone left arm equals, we're going to get the left arm, which we already have a variable of left arm at the top. So left arm clone. Now we're going to set the parent. So cloned LA dot parent equals. So we want to take the clone version of this left arm because we're cloning it. Now we have a new clone, so a new part of this, but we want to parent it to somewhere. So we're going to parent inside the character. So just char because char is the character. Okay. Now we do, we want to make a, no, we want to set the, we want to set the C frame. So cloned LA dot, okay, yeah, we can't do cloned LA dot C frame because cloned LA is a model, and a model does not have a property of C frame. So this is a reason why we made main, which is the parts inside. Main, let me just make sure everything is main. Yeah, all the parts are named main. Okay, so dot main. So this is gonna get that main part. Then we can set the C frame because a part has a property of C frame. So C frame equal. So we want to set that part C frame to. We're gonna go inside. We're gonna get the original left arm right here. So we set the C frame to the original left arm's C frame. Don't forget that C frame. Now we're gonna make a weld script. So local weld equals instance. We're almost done with the left arm, guys. We just got to make this weld script and we're all done. Manual weld, and this weld script is not long. Maybe just like 6 lines. So we have the instance. We're going to parent this after. So we're going to do weld dot part 0. So this is going to be the main part. The main part is going to be cloned LA. Yeah. Weld dot part 1 equals, this is going to be the secondary part. Secondary part is going to be this. Now I'm not too sure if it matters what order. Like maybe you can have this line right here, this piece, and just paste it right here, and then take cloned LA and put it right here. I'm not too sure if you can do that. I'm pretty sure it's gonna work, but yeah, I'm pretty sure. And then we do weld.co. Now this is the part I don't know. So I'll come over here. So weld.co equals, so we get the part 0, which is A. So we do .c frame. Okay, I'm just gonna copy that. Yeah, paste it here. So A was this, so we do clone, and then we do this for B. Yeah. All right, now we parent it, and then we're done. Well, with the left arm. Parent equals. We change the parent to. I'm gonna change the parent to let's put the weld, the actual weld inside the actual left arm. Yeah. All right, let's play. Hmm. Okay, bad cast. Ooh, I never got that error before. But anyways, it's saying line 3. Let's check it out. Okay. Okay, I see what's going on. So we can't set the welds part 0 to the model. We have to. I forgot to do dot main. That's what I forgot. Right here too. So make sure you do dot main dot cframe. Yeah. All right. Yeah. There we go, boo! Yay, 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 yay! Joey Suey's doing fun. All right, I'm sorry, guys. All right, so hmm, the rest is very simple, but stay tuned because you're not gonna want to you're gonna probably get confused. Okay, so left leg. Now this tutorial is gonna probably hit 30 minutes because I'm doing every single body part with you guys. That's how much I love you guys. Really. Thank you guys for supporting me. Yeah, alright, so we're gonna go on. I'm just going in order. You don't have to do it in order like this, but I'm just doing it because that's, yeah. So, cloned left leg. That's what LL is gonna stand for. And then we do left leg. So that's up here, left leg. So we're gonna clone the left leg. Then we parent the cloned left leg to the character. Change this. Dot main equals left leg, excuse me. Alright, right here you change this. Alright, change this right here. Inverse. Now, also change these right here. Yep, that's simple. Oh, I forgot to change one more thing. Forgot one more thing. Right here. Yeah. Now, as you guys can see, it's glitched right here. That's just because I forgot to. It's nothing wrong with the script at all. It's just I forgot to extend it a little. Same over here. I forgot to extend it. Well, actually, it doesn't need to be extended to the left because you won't be able to see all that. But I just forgot to extend it. Nothing wrong with the script. Yeah. All right. Now we're gonna go to. Let's do the right arm. Alright, so cloned right arm. So this is just a variable name. Then we do right arm, because that's up here, the right arm. Clone, then we do clone right arm. Now, what we could just do, if you want to go really fast, you just, anywhere you see cloned LL, so you know you copy this, anywhere, just go from left to right by going down, right here, yeah. And then you copy, um, then you just type up right with the space. Make sure you have the space, guys. Right arm. Copy that. Paste. 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 You're done. There we go. Got the right arm. See how easy? Alright, I'm going to go to the right leg. Sorry if the sound quality is bad. I actually just ordered a new mic, and this is a professional mic, and I'm gonna be using it for like my raps and stuff also. In my yeah. So there we go. Did we do? We got right leg, yeah. All right, just right leg. Oops, messed up right there. There we go. Right leg. Yeah, boy, look at that Nike check though. Like, yo, that thing fastball. Let me that ball. Anyways, all right, now we're gonna do the torso. Torso. Cloned T. That's a good name. Um, yeah. Don't forget to change this. Torso 2. Alright, so we're going to change this to Torso 2. Okay, it didn't work. C-frame, okay. Uh, 69. Okay. Okay, clone T, clone, okay, char, dot main. Let's see, torso, main. What? What am I doing wrong? Clone T. Oh. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah. Okay, I don't know why I did torso 2 over here. Sorry about that. And if you exit out the video, I'm pretty sure if you're listening to this right now, you probably did exit the video and you came back. But yeah. Look at that pocket though. Detailed AF, dog. Like, let me get you, boy. But anyways, guys, this is how you make a Nike check on Roblox Studio. Bruh. Don't get me wrong. That Nike check fresh. No, I'm joking. That Nike check weird. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed. Now, uh, I don't know if you guys would want like a script. Maybe I can make another tutorial on maybe removing all the hats. But this tutorial is almost at 30 minutes. So, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like and subscribe. Peace.